Real quick, guys, this is how you're gonna change your engine coolant sensor. This is the harness for it. I got a new harness. My old one, actually, do I have it? Fucking, you see that? So, ended up getting a new one from AutoZone. Ended up just splicing these wires, putting these little butt connectors on. I'm about to attach the new harness here in a minute and then button everything up. I took out everything. I actually had a power steering spill, so I got a lot of fluid I got to clean up before I put everything back together, but took more battery out to have a little bit more room. But it's pretty simple. You know, once you take it off of there, you just splice the wires, put those butt connectors on, hook everything back up, and you should be ready to go. This is my new connector. Kind of shorten it up a little bit. See how one got a yellow wire? I didn't get the one with the yellow wire. Doesn't really matter. As long as you line them up correctly on the connector, you'll be straight. But I know the one that has the white letter, and it's gonna be my yellow wire, so I'm gonna just end up attaching these, boom, like that. Probably get some heat shrink. I hella forgot some electrical tape for the meantime, so I'm probably gonna head to the store and go get that. But button it up and see how it goes. Back a couple hours later, don't mind my oil pressure gauge. I know that's my oil pressure sensor. I just don't feel like taking my fucking intake off to get back there. I got big ass hands, but did the sensor, the harness, was having a little bit of trouble a couple hours ago. I was fighting with it. You know, I'd started and I never cleared the codes like a dumbass. So if you have it, clear the codes out. You know, I don't have any codes now, but I know I'll have a code pop up here in a minute from a fucking evap from a gas cap. So, but it seems like it fixed it. Running smooth.